Hello guys, so we're back to this is Co-Networking Academy. So welcome to my video. So we're done in chapter 1. We answered the activities there. So I'm gonna go to this chapter 2, to the chapter 2 activity. So this is the first activity. So it is the access method. So the access methods are mainly this console, telnet, SSH, and auxiliary. So select the most appropriate access method for each scenario. So we're gonna put some circles here if whether they are related to these four meanings. So this is the console. So the console is a port or terminal used for configuring devices and switches, and this telnet or SSH is used for telnet or SSH is used for remote accessing from one device to another. So intermediary devices and end devices are the devices that can use this telnet or SSH. So auxiliary is a port where you can access your routers or devices from far away, even if you're not in the physical location of the physical location of the device. So you just need some information about the main of the device for remote accessing it. For accessing it. So you are in the equipment room with the new switch that needs to be configured. So a new switch will need to be configured. So it is the console. Your manager gives you a special cable and tells you to use it to configure the switch. So we're going to configure the switch again, but this time you need a special cable, but it's still the console. You access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network connection. So you use network connection and to access the iOS by using a intermediary device. So this is a telnet or SSH. You call your manager to tell them you cannot access your router in another city of their internet. So there. So you're not on the city where the router is located. So you call your manager to tell him that you can't access it. So he gave you the information to access the router through a telephone connection. So 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 this is the auxiliary because because information because your manager has given you the information to access the router from far away, even if you're not in the location of the router. I'm gonna go check. It's correct. I'm gonna go to the next. So this is configure host names. So we're going to change the name of the switch to this assigned SW floor 1. Enter the configuration mode and configure the switch host name to be SW floor 1. So we're at the privileged exec mode. So we're gonna go type configure terminal to access go the global configuration mode. So as you can see, we have here the config bird. So it means that we're at the global configuration mode. So to change the host name, we need to type in the host name space the name that you want to assign the switch. So host name. So it is changed. So SW floor 1 config. So you have successfully configured the switch hostname. So as easy as that. I'm gonna go here. So this time we're going to configure the password encryption. So right now we're at the global configuration mode. So what we need is the service password encryption command. Yeah, once you type that, you press enter. So exit configuration mode and view the running configuration. So we need two commands for this. So to exit the global configuration mode, you need to type exit, and to view the running configuration, we need to type show running config. So it's gonna show some data here our that our password has been encrypted. So this is the data. So you successfully encrypted the plain text passwords. So we're gonna go to the next one. So here, this time we're gonna limit access to a switch. So the instruction is limit access to a switch, encrypt all passwords, secure the privilege exec access, secure the console access, and secure the VTY access. So to encrypt all passwords, you all know that the service password encryption command. No, service password encryption. Press enter. So secure the privilege exec access with the password class or cla55. So we need to secure the privilege exec access by typing enable secret. Wow, flies, flies, flies. So enable secret class. So this puts a this makes the input of text to like invisible so that it will be more secure. So we're gonna type enter, secure the console line, use the password Cisco allow login. So to access the console line, we need to type in line console 0. So we need to assign a password here. Oops, Cisco, and type and put the login to enable a login interface. To secure the first 16 VTY lines, so we need to type in the line VTY 0 to 15. So this starts with a 0 and ends with 15. So the count is 16. So this limits the lines of the configuration. We need to type the so we're at the line configuration mode, so we need to type in the and we need to assign a password also. Same password and allow the login. So you have successfully limited to a switch. So this makes everything encrypted or be be attached with the password before accessing the before changing some configuration. So here, the last, I think it's the last one. So configure a switch virtual interface. Enter interface configuration mode for VLAN 1. Configure the IPv4 ad- address as 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0 and enable the interface. So we need to enter interface configuration mode. So we need type interface VLAN 1 to switch to the interface configuration, and to configure the IP address we need to type IP space address and assign the assigned IP, and put in the subnet mask next to the IP. So so no shutdown is used to enable this to activate this assigned IP and subnet mask to the VLAN 1. So it is said that interface VLAN 1 change state to up, so it means that this is activated and you have successfully configured the switch virtual interface for VLAN 1. So I think it's done. So we have answered one activity. We answered one activity with like a like just a like determining the proper access method that is related to the meaning, and the others are all syntax checkers, so we have successfully answered everything. So I think that's it for this video, and stay tuned for my chapter 3 activity, and thank you for watching and goodbye.